In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive a payout from Whop. We'll walk through the exact path you need to follow inside your Whop business dashboard so you can access your funds and withdraw them smoothly. Even if this is your first time using Whop, don't worry. I'll explain what you're seeing on screen and what each click actually does, so you know you're in the right place. First, head over to your Whop business home dashboard and sign into your account. Once you've logged in, you should land on the main dashboard page where you normally manage your products, customers, or analytics. This is your control center for everything related to your business on Whop, and it's also where you'll start the payout process. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile area there, usually represented by your profile picture or an icon with your initials. Click on that profile section. This opens a drop-down menu that gives you access to different parts of your account settings. In this drop-down, you'll see a list of menu items. From this list, you want to find and click on the option labeled Balance. This is the section where Whop shows you how much money you currently have available to withdraw. Once you click Balance, you'll be taken to a dedicated page that displays your current available balance, along with some details about your earnings and previous payouts. On this balance page, look for a button that says Withdraw. You should see your available balance displayed above this button, so you know exactly how much you can take out. Go ahead and click on Withdraw. This is what starts the actual payout process. If you've already set up your withdrawal details in the past, Whop may simply ask you to confirm the amount and the destination. But if this is your first time withdrawing, you'll be asked to provide some information before you can proceed. This typically includes things like your payout method and any required personal or business details, depending on your region and regulations. Carefully fill in the requested information, making sure everything is accurate and up to date. After that, you'll go through a verification step, where Whop checks and confirms your details. Once your information is verified and saved, your payout setup is complete, and future withdrawals from your balance